Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Learn with Art. In the last video we have seen what is meant by recursive grammar. Okay, so the next point to be discussed is nothing but the left recursive grammar and a right recursive grammar. Okay, so recursion means the function calls itself, and recursive grammar means production rules are recursive, means the variable calls itself. Okay, so then that grammar is called as recursive grammar. So next point is what left recursive grammar means. What if in the recursive grammar it is said to be left recursive if the leftmost variable of right hand side is same as left hand side. Okay, so for example, if we consider this, then right hand side of the production rule having the leftmost variable same as the leftmost variable of the production. Okay, so means if this calls the leftmost variable at the right hand side of the production, okay, then that is called as the left recursive grammar. Okay, so if the case is like if we have more than one left recursions in a for a single variable, then that is called as multiple left recursive grammar. Okay, so now we'll see what is meant by right recursive grammar. So in the production of the given grammar, the rightmost variable of RHS, okay, so the rightmost variable of RHS is same as the LHS variable, okay, of the productions. Okay, so this is the rightmost variable of the right hand side. Okay, so that is same as the leftmost variable of the production. So that is nothing but the right recursive grammar. Okay, so same is the case related to multiple right recursive grammar. If we have more than one right recursive productions present for the given variable, then that is called as multiple right recursive grammar. Okay, hope so you have understood what is meant by left recursive grammar and right recursive grammar. If you have any queries, then please do comment, and never forget like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.